sharp eye is all, you know, we use sensors, so many different types of sensors to detect the material or color or combination of that. And then we use, for example, near infrared to see the different materials. And if you have, say, PET and PP, that is quite easy to detect. But if you have a PET tray and a PET bottle, that wavelength is very similar. Mm-hmm. So with the sharp eye, we are able to actually make a better difference between those two materials, so that we can improve the sorting for the customer, because they need to be able to actually have those two fractions as two separate ones. That's the way they can get better prices for those fractions. Italy has a special place in my heart, because that was one of the first, when I started in the company 20 years back, that was actually one of the first markets I worked on. So some of the customers like Montello and Lidl Service and some of these are very old customers of ours, and I think that Italian market can be and is and will be very interesting. I mean, you have the Corepra flow, which has always been very interesting for us. I think that, as I mentioned in my speech, we need to, if you want to have a higher recycling rate, you need to actually look at other waste streams than just the Corepra. You need to look at municipal solid waste. You might need to look at CNI, CND waste to be able to take out the material. And in that aspect, I dare to say that the Italian market is not so far ahead, which means they need to do more, which needs more sorting, which hopefully means more business for TOMRA. I think that where we can grab the most of the material is in municipal solid waste. Because if you look at the example we talked about in Sweden, where actually only 30% is ending in the separate collection, means that 70% is ending somewhere else, and most of that ends up in municipal solid waste. Not only, but that's where I think we can get the most out of it. And then you could argue that it's a dirty stream because it has organic in it. Yes, but we have proven with our tests and with our customers and partners that it's possible to get a very clean recycled content out of a municipal solid waste stream.